Many know him as a well-respected, honorable Airsoft YouTuber, but only a few know what he becomes when the GoPro turns on. So, Lil-Jacker, tell us what really happened on June 20th, 2024.
It was my first time playing Airsoft, but I couldn't afford a gun, so all I had was a knife. I snuck behind enemy lines, and I was able to kill Jet. Then I went on to knife half of his team. He was not happy about that.
Oh, that is so cheesy.
Now, Lil-Jacker, what happened as a result of Jet's anger?
He shot at me and it really hurted.
And what exactly did he shoot you with?
He shot me with the big gun.
How big we talking? Just tell me when, Lil-Jacker. Now, can you show me exactly where he shot you on this doll? With his big black Glock.
I think he shot me here once or twice, maybe.
It's so tragic to see a new member of the Airsoft community get violated like this. Now, as I understand it, you were also a victim of Mr. Fox. Isn't that right, Lil-ConCon?
Yeah.
A little birdie told me, and let me get this right, you wanted to start a YouTube channel?
I came to the event to make my first Airsoft YouTube video, and I was really excited because JetDesertFox was going to be there, and I wanted to collaborate.
Oh, that is so cheesy.
And Lil-ConCon, how did that go?
It was a lot scarier to meet in person.
Truly heartless behavior. If you or someone you love has become a victim of JetDesertFox, please call the number on screen now to join our vast support network of over 1,000 fellow Jet victims today.